The Rack Shop is proud to present this Lexus GX with the factory flush cider rail. We've just installed the Yakima CoreBar SightLine base roof rack system. So this system consists of the Yakima CoreBar, 50 inches in length, the SightLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and vehicle-specific sight clip number 48. So this has a total weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, crossbar spacing maximum of 44 inches. So a great base roof rack system for carrying all sorts of gear like bikes, water sport, cargo, and so on. So this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.